Morning, everybody. We are at the Downsouth Tuners. Little car meet this morning in downtown Fort Worth. Come check out some of the cars that are here. Got a couple Holdens. Hey. Twin turbo monster up in there. Good luck working on that thing. Lexus New Z. And look at this one. Made for getting down and dirty.
I can't do shit for her. I'm here for me. And I gotta be the positive. There's so much negative. You have any little type of
Anti-theft device. That pipe coming out of the damn thing. Pretty wicked. Everybody's boosted here, except for me. It ain't for life. Wicked little Jeep.
I mean, it is.
Man, look at this cool little Mazda.
Half the time, like if he's at home, he just throws it in the door. I'll grab it when I leave. Yeah. And when he leaves,
My buddy Dan's sweet ass Lexus F-Series 500 horse. And my buddy Pete's OG RS6. Small little V8 twin turbo car. Sneak up on you. And looky here. New Acura NSX.
about the overlap.
Got a Roush Mustang. And a Whipple Mustang. One for every occasion. That's not a Mac. Another Holden over here. Very rare color. Beautiful car.
It looks pretty good. I recommend it, but like there's so much shit under this engine, like everything is starting to crack. Driving it with that hood has been like the happiest time. The IT10s, everything's slow, everything's like funny. So I was like, man, I like the no hood look, but I'm just like, I need to have a
Little sleeper Beamer here. Watch this. Sleeper Beamer with an N54 and a bigger turbo. This is on my videos. I actually ran him. He put up a pretty good fight, that's for sure. Definite sleeper. You would not think it's anything. It's not badge or anything, but it'll get it. Sweet little 370Z. M8. Ouch. Oh, look at this Nova. Beautiful, beautiful Nova. I said this is Downsouth Tuners car meet. Fun little rides here. And we got a 5th gen Z01 that just rolled in too. Another cool little car. Pretty rare, they only made a few of these cars. His, I believe last time he told me it's stock. Doesn't have much done to it. Fun little ripper though. I believe it's a manual. Yes, it's a manual. Fun little car. Come factory with the LSA. Oh, damn. A little hot rod just rolled by here. Good looking little ride. Thanks for checking it out, guys. You guys be sure to like and subscribe for more. Check out all the other videos while you're at it. Appreciate y'all. See y'all next time.